Morning, everyone. It's a beautiful fall day, as you can see. Got lots of colors going on. We're gonna rip some packs on the Happymodel Crux35 that I converted to digital. Let's see how she goes. Never filmed one of these before. It's gonna be interesting to see how much my head moves on video. Probably won't talk too much though. Probably end up in a tree if I do. So I've been loving this little Crux35, especially since I converted to HD with the Runcam Phoenix HD Nano. Can't run my 850 4S batteries anymore because those things hit way too much down. But with the 550 from GMB, this thing flies like a dream. Get about 5 minutes of aggressive flying. It's very quiet too, so no one really gets bothered by it. I've had it for a little over a month, I think. Maybe 2. I'm flying it a lot though. I would say it's definitely a great first drone to get in to FPV with. It's pretty cheap. Although finding the frame kit hard to find other than on Banggood, which they overcharge for it. And it takes forever to get. It's always out of stock. Oh, almost went into a tree. Spot's great, but it's always dog walkers, which I can't really complain about. It's a big open park. This hobby seems to attract a lot of old people. They seem to love it. Last couple times I've let them fly in the goggles and super impressed. One even last night seemed interested in buying one of these, asked the brand and everything. Holy shit. come in. Well, this little guy survived another 5 packs today. Barely. Took a couple crashes. Hit that sign over there. Well, that's all for today, I guess.